टिळकनगर शिक्षण प्रसारक मंडळ संचालित लोकमान्य गुरुकुल. Children, today we are going to learn grammar lesson, countable and uncountable noun. In last few lectures we have learned types of noun. So countable and uncountable nouns are also one type of noun that we are going to learn today. As by the word only you can able to understand that countable means the things which we can count and uncountable means the things which we cannot count. When we add un, when we add this prefix in front of countable, it becomes the opposite of countable, that is uncountable noun. So let's start. Most nouns in English are countable. We can put a number before them. In English language there are the things, the nouns which we can count. For example, table. If there is a one table, we say one table. If there is a two or more than two tables, we add the number before that. For example, fridge. One fridge, two fridge, three, four, five. These are the numbers which we add before that noun. Chair, four chairs. Lamps, two lamps. So these are the numbers. When we put the number in front of the nouns, they are called countable nouns. They have singular and plural form. Means these nouns have the singular and plural form. Singular means one, plural means more than one. So the countable nouns can be singular or plural. So singular means when there is a one thing and the plural means when there is a more than one thing. For example, here two examples are given. One table, four tables. Means what? These nouns are countable. Whether it is a singular or whether it is a plural, we can count it in numbers. So the things which we can count it in number, they are called countable noun. Some nouns are uncountable. We cannot put a number before them. They have no plural form. Now the some nouns, they are uncountable. We cannot count them. We cannot count them in number. So and also they does not have any plural form. So such things are called uncountable noun. So here examples are given. Luggage, paper, furniture. So as you can see, there is no plural form in front of them and the numbers are also cannot given to this. So few examples we'll see now. There is a some water in the jug. Now you can see there is a jug and the water is there in the jug, but that water, can we tell how much water is that? No, we cannot tell that in number. That we cannot identify that noun in number, that water in number. So when the noun cannot be said in the number, that is called uncountable noun. So at this particular time we use the words like some, little to tell the number of that particular noun. So these are called uncountable noun. There is a some water in jug, there is a little water in the jug. So this word some and little are telling us the quantity of water in the glass. So the words which cannot able to count in numbers, they are called uncountable noun, but we can tell them in quantity. Okay, always uncountable noun we can tell them in quantity. Like for example, here we can tell the quantity of water in jug also and in glass also by the word some and little. So the word some and little are telling us over here the quantity of that water. So it can be tell in the form of quantity, but means it can be tell in the form of measurement, but we cannot count it. That is called uncountable noun. Do not use a or an before an uncountable noun. We never use a or an before the uncountable noun. Use some before an uncountable noun. We use some, the word like some, little before the uncountable noun. Some luggage, some paper, some furniture. Give me some cheese, please. So what it means, when we have to specify the noun but we doesn't know the number of it, we don't know the quantity of it, at that time we use the word some before that. So the word, when we use the word some before any noun, that noun will be uncountable. There are ways to quantify an uncountable noun. We use measure words or counters to count the uncountable noun. Now मेजर वर्ड्स मीन्स काय मुलांनो, तर मेजर वर्ड्स म्हणजे ज्याला आपण वजनात सांगू शकतो अशा गोष्टी, त्याला आपण त्याचं वजन सांगू शकतो पण त्याचा नंबर सांगू शकत नाही. सो दिस अनकाउंटेबल नाउन्स आर ऑलवेज वी कॅन टेल इन दी मेजर वर्ड्स, we cannot tell in the form of number. So now two examples are given over here. Two pieces of furniture. So here pieces is a major word and furniture is a uncountable noun. How much furniture is there we cannot tell in number, so we are telling it how many pieces are there, so we are measuring that. Next, one glass of water. Now over here we are telling the quantity of glass. How many glasses? One. Okay, so here glass is a measure word and water is a uncountable noun. Means what? The uncountable noun can be told in the measure words. Countable nouns, the word piece, glass, box, bar are countable nouns. We use such words to measure or count the quantity of an uncountable noun. Such words are also called as measure words or counters. So I hope children you have understood what is countable noun and what is uncountable noun. If you have any doubt you can ask me. Thank you.